This is my video for day one of the road to the ADCC trials. So yesterday I signed up to compete in the under 77 kilogram division of the North American East Coast trials. So I figured it's probably time to resume sprint training, which I haven't done too much of lately. So guys, I'm dying right now. Honestly, I just did 45 minutes. I started off over here, running around up and down this hill here, chasing my dogs around for about 20 minutes. And then for the second half, I ran up and down this hill for about 25 minutes. So I don't know if you can see, but I started all the way down there near our beach where the river is and ran all the way up the hill that way. So I really like running this hill because you kind of have to jump from rock to rock because there's a bunch of rocks here. So you kind of jump up from rock to rock and it makes it a little bit more plyometric. And yeah, I'm freaking dying. So got about 15 pounds to lose. So it starts now. It occurred to me as I was running up this hill that I should make some sort of a video series kind of documenting what happens and showing other people just the behind the scenes, what it takes to train for a big tournament like this, especially if you've never done a big tournament like this, which is my situation. But hey, everyone starts somewhere. If you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel or wherever you're watching this. If it's on Instagram, follow. If it's on Facebook, follow me. You know what to do. Click the button.